Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming the SSD type and that your USB adapter or enclosure supports it. This avoids mismatches. Once done, back up any data on the drive because the next steps will erase partitions. Make sure to use a USB 3.0 or faster port for performance and connect any required external power to the adapter. Otherwise, the drive may not initialize. Now mount the SSD in the enclosure and connect it to your computer so the system can detect it. With the SSD connected, open your OS disk tool to view the target device and verify capacity and identifier to avoid wiping the wrong disk. Initialize the disk with a GPT table for compatibility with modern systems. Choose MBR only for legacy needs. Create one or more partitions sized to your use case and format them. For Windows only, use NTFS. For Windows and Mac OS, choose XFAT. For Mac OS, choose apps. Finally, assign a drive letter or mount point so the SSD shows up as a USB drive. Now optimize. Enable trim if your OS and USB bridge support it, because that keeps SSD performance healthy over time. Adjust power settings so the drive does not spin down or sleep prematurely. This prevents hangs during transfers. Test by copying a sizable file to measure read and write behavior and label the volume so you recognize it later. When finished, eject safely. If the drive is not detected, try a different cable. Check power to the adapter, update drivers, or reinitialize.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.